Ako ano na ihatag.
Selamat kayo.
Yeah.
Today is a very special day where we will be able to help someone, to our neighbors here. His name is Berto. Thank you so much for the sponsor, Josh. And now Berto can be able to buy his tools and everything that he needs for the as a carpenter or as a kuan. Berto said that thank you so much for that. And bim ginag-vlog pa ko pinangga.
620.
Nah, kamu mau magagahit magkakapot ka to kita stas puluhan. Kali Barina. Dili lang ayo lagi pira ana mahalin ako. Ah. Barni mga pagka mga nawungit na mahalin. Testing sa basig demandar na dito.
Pino, namdini kontriu, boleh. Wilayah.
Oh, adaptor.
Adaptor na, adaptor balik ya.
Just seminggu na namin. Kaya salamat ra mura.
Dito na sa engine lang guro magpananya dito. Ato po nga.
Thank you.
Bakit taga Canadian na dito sa buto?
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Ay mo, Barina. Barina. Hey guys, today I'm so happy that Uncle Berto has his tools already. And thank you, Josh. Once again, thank you so much. And now, I want to take this time to say thank you to everybody, to everyone, to those who supporting my channel from the beginning until now. Thank you so much, guys. I just want to add more words to this video so that we can make it into 3 minutes so that ay bita magtinarong bitaw ko guys. Tinarong lang ko guys, bilisag isa ka minuto. Oh, I can still believe it until now. Like I never expected this that will happen to me, that we can meet a lot of good friends here on my channel, guys. It's been 4 years doing vlog, and now that I meet you all, it makes more meaningful. This channel makes more meaningful and resourceful, beautiful, even bountiful, everything that I'm falling in love to you. Joke lang guys, but guys, no? I'm just so happy. And positive side guys, no? There's a lot of positive side that happened here on doing this vlog, you know. Number one of that is I learned how to communicate. It's not perfect, but at least something happened to me about this. Like I can talk to you, I can talk to this. Huy, it's all about it's all about growing, and in that growing process, guys, because there's a lot of adjustment that I need to do in myself, like most especially in communicating, you guys. Since I was a shy girl, now I'm still shy, but I can adjust, I can talk, and that's the most important thing that happened to my life. And I'm very thankful to the Lord. Like I never expected that will happen to me. Like I'm just doing a vlog there, taking a video to the buffalo there in the mountain, going to the riverside, and going to the deep well, going to the house, going to the home, going everywhere. And you know that feelings, I still can't believe that guys. And kuan guys, sa tanang butang ani guys, no, nagapasalamat jud ko sa Ginoo, sa inyo ana. I'm very thankful that I know you guys. Like you are all a good friends to me, and thank you. There's a reason why I still continue doing a vlog, because of the good people here. You guys are so good in my soul. Thank you so much. Thank you. That's all. Bye bye.